If you're on the hunt for a versatile kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease, look no further than the Gourmia XL digital air fryer toaster oven with single-pull French doors. This multifunctional device not only promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, but also delivers healthy, oil-free meals that don't compromise on taste. From fries to bagels, pizza to popcorn, this air fryer toaster oven does it all. Let's dive into a detailed review of this kitchen marvel. One of the standout features of the Gourmia XL digital air fryer toaster oven is its sleek and stylish design. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this appliance not only looks great on any kitchen counter, but is also built to last. The single-pull French doors are a notable design element, offering a touch of elegance and convenience. With a single handle pull, both doors swing open smoothly, allowing easy access to the cooking chamber. This design is particularly handy when you're juggling multiple dishes or ingredients, as it ensures you always have a free hand. Navigating the various functions of the Gourmia XL is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. The digital display shows both the temperature and cooking time simultaneously, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings as needed. The interface is responsive and straightforward, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can operate the appliance with ease. Whether you're selecting a preset cooking function or adjusting the temperature, the touchscreen makes the process seamless and hassle-free. Each preset is designed to optimize cooking times and temperatures for specific foods, ensuring perfect results every time. Whether you're air-frying crispy wings, slow-cooking a hearty stew, or dehydrating fruits for healthy snacks, this appliance has you covered. At the heart of the Gourmia XL is its patented Fry Force 360 degrees technology, which ensures that food is cooked quickly and evenly with little to no oil. This technology circulates hot air around the food, creating a crispy exterior while maintaining a moist and tender interior. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt associated with traditional deep frying. These accessories are designed to fit perfectly within the oven, ensuring that you can tackle any recipe with ease. Additionally, the appliance includes a free download of a 64-page recipe book created by Gourmia's in-house chefs, offering plenty of inspiration for your culinary adventures. With a powerful 700-watt motor and a 2750 RPM fan, the Gourmia XL delivers exceptional performance across all its functions. The high wattage ensures that the oven heats up quickly, while the powerful fan ensures even heat distribution. This combination results in faster cooking times and more consistent results. The large, clear windows allow you to monitor your food without opening the doors and losing heat, further enhancing cooking efficiency. Cleaning the Gourmia XL is straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design. The crumb tray catches any food debris, making it easy to dispose of crumbs and drips. The stainless steel exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and the accessories are dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is quick and hassle-free. The Gourmia XL not only helps you prepare delicious meals, but also promotes healthier cooking. Utilizing hot air instead of oil significantly reduces the fat content of your dishes. Additionally, the appliance is designed with safety in mind. The French doors remain cool to the touch, and the sturdy construction ensures stability during operation. Final verdict: the Gourmia XL digital air fryer toaster oven with single-pull French doors is a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen. Its combination of sleek design, user-friendly interface, and advanced cooking technology makes it an excellent choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full-course meal, this appliance delivers consistent, delicious results every time. Investing in the Gourmia XL means embracing a healthier, more efficient way to cook. Its wide array of features and reliable performance make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their culinary skills and enjoy delicious, guilt-free meals. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.